Help the right visibility for your business in the Google My Business. And this is the topic today we are going to discuss, and it is very, very important. So, choosing the right business category in
Artlist.io.
the Google My Business is their make and break, because it will be the same will depend on your visibility in the Google My Business and in the Google search results. If you don't choose the right category, and you are going to lose a lot of business and money on the table. And if you choose the right category, and you will make a lot of money out of your business, and because of the algorithm
Music
was based on the
licensing
what category you are
reimagined.
choosing. Let's say, for example, if you are a dentist, how you are going to choose your the category? You maybe choose as a dentist, or maybe as a dental clinic, or maybe a dermatologist, or maybe dentist, or maybe what you can say, another kind of individual or any kind of expert you are into that field. This is just an example for one business. If you are a small business owner, whatever kind of business you are holding, or maybe local business, you are maybe dentist, plumber, AC repair, HVAC, or maybe car detailing, any kind of business you do, that choosing the right business category is vital for your
Artlist.io.
business. And I can't stress more here this, because as I'm telling that this is the vital and this is very important. You have to be very careful here, because I'm stressing more because of I know that what is the importance of this. Okay. So now, hey, hi, myself Vinayak, founder Scale Up Today and Insta Pipeline marketing companies. Two companies I run, and I help small and medium business owners to
Music
lease their online
licensing
business,
reimagined.
building the funnels, website, and also optimizing local SEOs and also CRM related stuff. So if you are looking for something which you want to grow your business, and if you want our help, yes, you can leave comment or maybe fill the form which is in the description. Let's come to the topic. Okay, the categories are, you may be thinking that category is very easy to define the category when just go to the here in the Google My Business. Just I'm sharing one of the my thing there. Go here, choose the category which is listing, and just select and done. So let me
Artlist.io.
tell you, this is not so simple. Okay, so let's say, as I told you, let's say for example, again, you are a liar. How you are going to place himself as just a liar, or maybe some personal injury liar, or maybe advocate, or maybe what you are going to do. And let's say if you are a plumber, the plumber is straightforward in the Google My Business, because there are no relevant categories like that. Let's say if you are a plumber and you are giving the again the service of
Music
related to AC
licensing
repair, or maybe
reimagined.
some related to the boiler or something like that, right? How you can place yourself to give all those services? Let's say there are categories. First thing is that primary category and secondary categories. So as per the Google, you should have both. The primary category is nothing but the first whatever listing, that is the primary category. You can add up to 9 secondary categories. Again, coming to the plumber may be the main category, that is primary category, and you can select up to 9 categories, like maybe kind of AC repair or boiler repair, or maybe related
Artlist.io.
to those kind of stuffs. You can select it. But what is important is that selecting the right primary category. Let's say if for a plumber it is straightforward. Let's say your primary category can be kind of the AC repair. Okay, how you can select? Let's say when you type here AC repair, for example, AC repair, you see here.
Music licensing
Okay,
reimagined.
I think this is also not coming here. Maybe I will tell you air condition. So see here, air condition repair shop, air condition store, air condition system supplier. So what you are going to select? This is depend very much depend. Okay. Now let's say air condition repair shop. This may not be relevant to you, or maybe air conditioning store may not be relevant to you. Air conditioning system supplier may not be relevant to you. So what is the relevant? The air conditioning service or air conditioning service shop. Kind of you need to do the. So how you can do that research
Artlist.io.
by selecting? I will suggest there are few tools which are available freely in the internet. You can use those. So for example, I will tell you that one of the tool you can use, the Playper. The second tool is that GMP Everywhere. That is a Chrome extension, and one more you can do that GMP Spy. So you can use all these tools to
Music
check that what
licensing
your competitors are
reimagined.
using as a primary category and secondary category, and you can use them. So you need not to start from anything from the scratch. You need not to invent the wheel, because most of the things are already available. Let's say, for example, I searched here plumber in New York. This is going to be a primary category. So how you can know that this is the tool where I'm using one. This is the Playper, the tool. So where you see that RR plumbing and router, you see that they are now when I search, they are coming at the top. Now you need to keep them as
Artlist.io.
a your reference, and then you go ahead and do the edit or something. It may helpful when you are maybe right now maybe in the process of listing, or maybe already listed. That doesn't matter. Okay, if your profile is not performing well, that means that there is something serious issue about your category. So now what I'm trying to say here, let's say plumber is a primary category, and contractor, drainage, service,
Music
excavating,
licensing
contractor, repair service, these are
reimagined.
all are your services, and you need to list all these things. Otherwise what will happen, no one will search. The people will search, but you will not appear in their search result. Okay, if you don't add these things. This is the one. And if you see, I have one more the tool here called GMP Spy. Okay, so now let's say I'll go back here again. I will select this, and I already installed this. This is the Chrome extension. You just click on this, this will display and it will show that what are the categories these people are using. Let's say primary category as a the plumber, secondary categories, all these are things. So now I think you got a fair idea how you can select the category. It's not just whatever the Google listing there. You need to do some research before doing that. Okay, I think it's a fair idea you got it. Now, let's say you may be having the question that why should I select the secondary category? As I told that, let's say the person who is searching as the plumber, you may get into the search
Music
result. But what about your other service?
reimagined.
Let's say repair services, water drainage services, for example, here. Those are not those search results. Someone is searching, your business will not appear. Okay, and this is not that just you are going to do. And one more important thing is that if you are having the multiple service, of course, most of the businesses sell multiple services. Let's say plumber is one, okay, and then contractor, drainage, water filter supplier, or air conditioning, whatever that. Okay, you need to tag this to your metadata. That means in your website, you need to create the different multiple pages. Let's say one service for
Artlist.io.
plumber, another page is for the air conditioner, other services for water drainage services, other services for the roofing services, whatever you are doing. You should not be clumping anything here. Let's say I'll tell you xyg.com, your website, xyg.com/plumber service. Next, xyg.com/AC repair service. So you
Music
need to have
licensing
each separate
reimagined.
pages for each services, should not be clumping. Okay. And one more important hack I will give, in your that particular page, you need to add the keywords related to that service. Let's say AC repair. In that, everything whatever you are writing in your that particular page, you need to add the AC repair service keywords into that. And this is very important again. So what will happen? Google will go across the web and it will try to the search, and someone is searching that particular keyword here. Okay. So now adding metadata to your the particular website, the particular page is very important once you choose this. Okay. So now if you do all these things, choosing the right category, right product category, is not just blind, it's going and doing some research. And that is again your whatever the service you are doing, your main service as a primary category, other sub services as a secondary
Music
category. Okay.
licensing
So again, I'm telling
reimagined.
that I cannot stress more and more on this category, because based on this category, whatever you are, business will appear in the search result. And of course, there is the keywords also important. Again, I will make another video related to the keyword. So hope you got this, the how you can choose your right primary category. In this video, just I covered the basic things, whatever, and it may be basic, but it is very, very important, and it is crucial and vital for your business. Okay, hope you got this some useful tips from this video, and next time when you are doing or maybe already in the process, you follow this and do the other changes, whatever. Okay, so if you like this video, and subscribe my channel and like, comment, and also share whomever you want to share. Okay, with that, and I'll be seeing you in the next video with next useful the hack tips and also a kind of principle.
Music
Okay, with that,
licensing
take care. Bye.
reimagined.